We're here. Shout out to Larry. Larry! But you got it set up. So 25 bucks. Better than OEM price. Got some Motion Pros. You should do the job. We're doing first track day on what is it, Saturday? So it's pretty important that I get set up with some new cables for the ride. Pulled the whole pretty much rear end of the bike out today, and the old cables were looking pretty beat, so good thing. Shout out to Motion Pro again, hooking it up. So we're gonna drive down to Auburn Extreme Power Sports, pick up a spark plug or two, and then start putting the bike back together, and we'll record it. So yeah. All right, so we just came back from Roseville Honda. I ended up figuring I need a spark plug, so picked up NGK Honda OEM. I don't know what number it is. Let's see. It is a IFR AH11. So that should be good. Having a fresh spark plug on the bike. So after a lot of trial and error, I think I figured out the angle. Okay. Is it recording? Yes, it is. So I didn't even know if this thing's going to start this morning. Like I said, I was having trouble last night, so we'll see if it even wants to pop over. My guess is probably not. Air filter's so dirty, it's just not going to want to start. So, oh, I guess not. That was actually pretty easy to start on the stand. Definitely cold. It's running pretty minty, actually. That should be good enough for the track. Wheels spinning, that's super funny. Well, cool. At least I know it like runs with the fresh carb. So I did rebuild the carb yesterday. It was really gummed up, and then shout out to Motion Pros. You saw in the other clips, they hooked me up with a fresh set of cables. Yeah. Alright, first ever ride on the track. It worked. Rookie mistake. That is gone in a video. What did you have to clutch it? It's shifter. We've already ridden this a couple times. You get so nervous around other people. I know. Here we go. I think I need new grips. Oh wow. Okay, there's a few people on the track. There's a 500. Just rolling it, taking it easy. Seat bouncing is kind of weird, but the ride tracks, I feel like you have to do it. So I've been learning how to do it. Oh my God! How did I get out of that? My foot came out the bag and I just held it. He takes it outside. Right here's the smoothest I've noticed. Until they touched underneath me and I saw a red fender, I looked over, I see his boots, like, oh, it's fucking rain. You ready?